Hi, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Have you ever tried joining a Zoom meeting and thought, why is this so confusing? Do the buttons feel overwhelming? Are you nervous about pressing a button in case you press the wrong thing? You're not alone, and today we're going to fix that. In just a few minutes, I will show you how to confidently use Zoom, join a call with the family, attend medical appointments, and connect with your community step by step. Today, we'll cover how to install Zoom, how to join a meeting, how to turn your camera on and off, how to use chat and reactions, and finally, best tips for safe and confident use. Step 1. Install Zoom. Let's start with installing Zoom. Open your browser, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Safari, type Zoom download and click the official Zoom website. Click download for Windows or Mac, and finally open the file and click install. Tip: if you're unsure, ask a family member or carer to help. Step 2. Join meeting. Most meetings are joined by clicking a link. Once you've clicked the link, Zoom will open, a box will appear, click join with video and click join with computer audio. Tip: if you have hearing aids, connect them to your device first for best sound. Step 3. Mic and camera controls. On the bottom left corner, you'll see a microphone icon. Click to unmute and mute. And you'll also see a camera icon. Click to turn your camera on and off. So if someone says we can't hear you, look for the microphone icon. If it has a red cross, click to unmute. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. Step 4. Messaging and reactions. If you can't speak or don't want to interrupt, click chat to type a message and click reactions to show a thumbs up, a clap, or raise your hand. Tip: use reactions in large groups to speak politely. Step 5. Stay safe. To stay safe on Zoom, only join meeting links from people you trust. Keep meeting links private. Never click on suspicious messages in the chat, and exit if something feels wrong. Step 6. Yes, you can do this. Learning new tech can be scary, and that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Take your time. Practice makes progress. If you make a mistake, don't worry. We're all learning together. We'd love to hear from you. How has learning new tech helped you connect with others? Have our programs helped you or someone that you know? Share your story in the comments below. Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from OneConnect. Thanks for watching.